For those working with APX and XTS series radios, keeping your batteries charged is absolutely crucial. Today, we're taking a look at the APX 5-pack of NNTN7686A charger adapters, designed as a replacement for the original NNTN7686 and NNTN7686A adapters. These adapters are intended to allow you to charge your APX batteries in your existing XTS multi-unit chargers, specifically the WPLN4108BR, WPLN4181AR, and WPLN4130A models. The compatibility list is extensive, covering a wide range of handheld radios, including the APX 6000, APX 6000XE, APX 6000Li, APX 7000, APX 7000XE, APX 8000, APX 8000XE, SRX 2200, XTS 1500, XTS 2500, XTS 3500, XTS 5000, HT 1000, PR 1500, MT 1500, and MTS 2000. This broad compatibility makes them a potentially valuable asset if you have a mix of radios in your fleet. The main selling point here is the cost savings. Instead of investing in completely new charging units for your APX radios, these adapters allow you to utilize your existing XTS multi-unit chargers. This is a significant advantage, especially for organizations managing a large number of radios. However, there's a crucial detail to keep in mind. These adapters are only compatible with chargers that have been loaded with software version 3.4 or greater. It's essential to verify your charger's software version before purchasing these adapters to avoid any compatibility issues. The package includes 5 individual NNTN7686, a universal single-unit charger inserts. The dimensions are approximately 7 inches in depth, 5.9 inches in width, and 1.9 inches in height. The input voltage is 7.4 volts. In conclusion, the APX NNTN7686A charger adapters offer a cost-effective solution for charging APX batteries in existing XTS multi-unit chargers. The wide compatibility is a major plus, but remember to check your charger's software version to ensure compatibility. If you meet the requirements, these adapters can save you a considerable amount of money compared to buying new chargers.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.